friends, I'm Zunaisha. Today we're going to learn how to turn a computer on safely and the right way. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on the main switch. Flip it up, and the power wakes up. Step 2. Press the CPU button. That's the box that holds the computer's brain. Step 3. Press the screen button. Now we can see what's happening. Hello! Step 4. Tall. Wait and watch. The computer needs a moment to wake all the way up.
Step 5. Dive.
Ooh.
Type your password. Just like a secret code to unlock the door.
Step 6. You're ready to go. Time to play, learn, or explore. Great job! Now you know how to start a computer step by step. See you next time. Hi friends, I'm Arham Ali. Today we're going to learn how to turn off a computer safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Save your work, so nothing you made gets lost.
Step 2. Do. Close all your programs. Click the little X on each one.
Step 3. Pawn. Click the Start button. It's down in the corner of the screen.
Step 4. Click Shutdown. Look for it in the menu that pops up. Step 5. Wait for it to turn off. Let the computer say goodnight all on its own. Step 6 is turn off the switch. Now the computer is resting, all snug and safe. Great job! Now you know how to close a computer safely. See you next time.